So the best thing to do with your windows, whether you have vinyl windows or Pella fiberglass windows or Anderson wood windows, is to make sure that you're cleaning them regularly, right? You want to make sure that there's not dust and debris and other things building up on them. The other thing, if you clean your windows regularly, by default, you're going to be inspecting your windows as well. So you're going to notice anything starting up. So maybe a small problem doesn't turn into a big problem because you catch it right when it starts, right? So the best thing to do is going to be to clean those windows regularly. Also make sure that you are inspecting them regularly as well. And then if you have the wood windows, you want to make sure that you're painting and staining those, make sure that that wood is treated properly because it is exposed to the elements. So you want to make sure that it's sealed up the way that it needs to be. When you're talking about how long a window is going to last, that ultimately comes down to the type of window that you put in. And like we talked about before, there's all different types of levels of windows and cost, right? And obviously if you buy the cheapest window that you can find, it's not going to last as long as one of those high-end Anderson windows that are in homes for 40 or 50 years, right? So really the biggest thing is that you're buying a quality window. And if you buy a quality window, you're going to get a good life cycle out of it.